ninja moves with ninja sounds really well. So
that was awesome.
Respond to that better than, you know, shoot.
Oh, he's still doing tricks.
Ow.
They said the birds are sneaking ninjas. Who do you want me to feed? Who do you want me to feed?
I don't know.
Anybody not had any? Alright, fine. You get it because you do. Ah, no! Get bird.
Remember ninja sound. Ninja sound.
Yes! Just throw it. Okay, so this is our SeaWorld hotel. And we're at Town Place Suites. So we got a full kitchen, really fancy. Did not know this when I booked it, so this is really exciting.
No, that they were cool. Shadow.
I know, there's some like weird things talking like over there. I'm not really sure what that is. Nice little table, nice little beds, nice little pack daddy. Nice weird curtains talking. Nice big bedroom, bathroom.
Here I am.
And what's behind the curtain?
Kayla and Hailey and me.
What? Hello?
Trying to sleep.
Okay, can I show you the view though?
No.
Look at our view. Okay, that looks beautiful. I think we should go. Let's go. Oh, look at our dog pillow. It's like a balloon dog, Kayla. Did you even notice? Oh, that's so cute. Somebody gets to sleep there.
Mommy.
Yeah, Daddy. Empty bus, guys? What? Goodbye, bus.
Bye-bye.
Lyla, what are those? Oh, they're sleeping. Oh, hey. Morning. He's like, no. No.
Wake up. Wake up. The one in the very back is like, no, I don't want to eat anything. I want to take a nap. Oh, get away.
Oh, he's up, Lyla, look.
Boy.
Hailey, do you want to feed these? Touch them.
Like sharks, Mama.
They look like sharks?
Look at them. Look, Lyla. Go underwater.
All the way to the bottom of the pool. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, I'm gonna eat one.
Come on, Lyla, you hungry? Lyla! All right, we know who's got to do this.
Oh, I'm scared.
Ugh.
It's like the bottom of the
How was that?
Your turn.
I can't.
That is weird.
I'm scared.
That is weird. I don't know.
Okay, maybe I'll just... The other ones are like mad at you now.
I don't like the way that
splash
feels.
them.
I don't like it. I don't like it.
Why? What does it feel like?
It feels like a big suction cup on your finger.
Ooh, look at those.
Your turn. I don't know if they got teeth. I'm worried.
Teeth.
Mama, one was splashing.
They said they
Oh,
slurp it.
they pulled it out of my
One was
hand.
splashing.
They pulled it out of my hand.
Daddy! One splashing you? Daddy left a
Your
floater.
turn.
Kayla, do one, I'll do one. Come on, just one. Just hold it like this on the bottom. He's not gonna bite you. Really?
Hold it like that. Don't slurp it out.
I can't even.
Don't slurp it out. Let's do it. Hit it.
Oh God. Oh God.
Keep your hand like a little bit up off the...
You see that?
Yeah, woohoo!
I'm so scared.
Grab that one, grab that one. Grab it, grab it, grab it.
Okay, ready?
Go.
Wait, you gotta wait till clearing. We're pretty busy right now. Oh yeah! You got my finger up in there. That's a funny feeling.
Oh. I know, one of them got my old knuckle in there. I was like, ah. Your turn, Lyla. Come here.
Alright, last one. Going in. Who's the lucky winner? Big Daddy coming through? No, I can't. It's too big. They're all too big. I need a small one.
I think they're all the same size.
Ready? Here we go. Aww. It's so weird. Okay, hand washing to arm washing. Here, who wants the hug?
Okay, I don't want to touch this. Go ahead, Hailey.
Hailey, get over here.
Well, what's the big thing? Did you see that big thing? Mama, what's that big thing?
Whoa.
So we're gonna make a cup that cares.
Can we give it eyes instead of glass?
Sure.
Actually, no.
Aw, Lyla, you got some pretty hair?
But no one in this
You can get a scarf or a necklace.
family is a blind. I don't mind.
Somebody got shoes.
This is Patricia.
She is so beautiful. She's even got a pop.
This is Patricia.
Ah.
Patricia and Patricia.
All right, ready?
That's fine.
Let's get our lady.
Hailey.
Hello, Hailey. You guys did a nice job working together on this lovely lady. What's up, Birdie? Birdie's the star of the show. Sea lion, hi. Now you're gonna get wet there, right? You don't want to back up a little bit? Whoa!
Hey everybody! I'll show ya!
Wow!
That was amazing! Ah, what's the worst that can happen? I don't know! Go in there!
Oh my God! What happened?
They got splashed and washed out of the drain.
Oh no, she got wet.
Seymour, I'm gonna demand out your lunch, but I don't want y'all to move a muscle until I'm finished. Here we go. 1 fish for Clyde and 1 fish for Seymour. 2 fish for Clyde and 2. Now wait just 1 second. I could have sworn I put a fish on that plate. You know what? That's okay. I'll start over. But I'm watching you. 1 fish for Clyde and 1 for Seymour.
And he's gonna eat it.
2 fish for Clyde. Okay, I saw you that time. Yes, I did. I saw you, Seymour. You stole that fish off that plate. Yes, you did. I saw it. They saw it, and you saw it too, didn't you? Okay.
Oh my God!
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, you guys have been a fantastic audience. From all of us, a great winning class of Clyde and Seymour. Sea Lion High!
Sea lion, Lyla. Oh! Come over here a little closer.
The girl touched it.
Oh my God, you're so cute! Ooh! Look at his face, look at his face. Hailey wants to fish.
Yeah, my.
He's like, where's my food?
Good. Fish? You got some fish? Oh, nope. Nope. Look at a bird. They're just like, can somebody throw a fish to him and drop it? Look at swimming!
I wish I could have one. Oh my God.
Hello? Oh!
Just fell.
Look at him!
I think he fell out.
Think he fell out of there? He's like, how do I get back in? Oh. Watch out for the wild birds. They're sneaky ninjas. Don't feed them.
They handle ninja moves with ninja sounds really well. So
That was awesome.
respond to that better than, shoot.
Right, right. So just swat them.
Alright.
Thank you. We just came from Ninjago, so we're good. Daddy's a professional ninja.
No.
Swatting the birds. Look at, they know it. They know it. Oh, oh, he's sniffing. We gotta get the kids. Oh. Kayla, he's hungry. What do you got? You guys want to go over there? He really wants one. He really wants one. Daddy. Well, then you gotta hold the GoPro.
Don't fall out.
Nice catch.
Yeah. Oh no.
Wait, wait.
Oh, he's doing a trick.
Dang.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh.
Wants to do it?
Oh, he's still doing his trick. Oh, he's still doing the trick.
Ow.
They said the birds are sneaky ninjas. Who do you want me to feed? Who do you want me to feed?
I don't know.
Anybody not had any? Alright, fine. You get it because you do. Ah, no! Get it, bird.
Remember ninja sound. Ninja sound.
Get it.
Just throw it.
There.
Nice.
that one.
Nice throw,
No,
Mama.
that one doesn't.
Oh, Daddy gave that one. Oh, you gave him one, right?
Oh yeah, I gave you one.
It's like he's stuck.
It's like, get me out of here.
At those rocks for a long time.
Oh.
That poor guy.
You need help, buddy?
Hey, you know what you
I know, that was funny. You ninja did though.
Birds are really ninjas. Ninjago, we're good. We got the moves.
We got a lot of eye buggies.
No birdies. No, guys, the lady up there just told us that the birds were like ninjas, sneaky ninjas. And she said you had to watch out because they make your hands bleed. Fish! Yee! He's right there. Look, that's how he gets up. You know, take my fish. No.
The Kraken unleashed. Woo! To the Kraken. Let me go. I go.
We go down, wave. Fish! Scary! It's not over though. We still got plenty of more to go. They coming? Woo! I saw them. That's what Daddy and Kayla are on. The Kraken. Oh, you want to sit in a seat? Okay. There you go. Bye.
Awesome! Awesome!
Ready for takeoff?
Are we ready for our flight? Yeah! Sit back and enjoy your flight.
This is Captain Emerson of White Thunder. Come back. Yeah, we have an acid storm system closing in at 018.
Cold in here. It's really cold in the Arctic. You know, I'm just floating around in there. Oh, there's two. Yeah, it's huge. Come feel the ice. Yeah, feel it. Put your handprint long enough, Hailey, it'll stay forever. I did it a little bit. Yay! Well, that's a big hand. Oh my god.
See the ice? Yeah. Whoa! Go this way. Cheers! Go, Lyla, go! Woo! Nice running, Kayla.
One of them are stuck.
It's not stuck. Look, Lyla.
That was so chubby.
Whoa. Shamu, we coming for you.
You should have got waterproof, Mama.
Yeah, I think we need to switch the camera out because, what do you think?
Wow, that's cool. Another TV.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Whoa, that's a lot of fish.
Whoa, Hailey. Oh, look at those things. They're spraying the wheels. No! No! They don't want to get splashed.
Yes, they do.
deep this pool is. Whoa, this is crazy. You can get right up to it, huh? They're getting fed or something. Whee! Shucks. It's our friend from the other tank. It's like, no, I'm in the wrong one. No, coming in.
That's what I saw in the other time.
That's like a leopard print.
Gosh, what are those creepy?
These are one of the flamingos.
Quack, 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 quack.
Quack, quack.
Oh, that duckie's pretty.
I know. Can we get him?
No.
No.
Duck is.
Ah! Look at all these fishies, baby.
What's up, buddy?
Got you, baby. Whoa. Whoa. That's a sausage? He's doing a Rodney smile.
That's a guy, Mama.
What, you called?
Yeah, it's cold in here.
We're in the penguin place. I'm just doing a butt shake. Oh, hey, yeah. They look like a hockey puck or something. It's like I'm just scared. Oh, he is coming. Hello. Hey, YouTube, what's up? Get him right up front. Hey, buddy. Okay, well, he's right there. Look at that, he's so cute. Yes. Yep, he wants his close-up shot. Hey, bud. What's up? What is up, man? Hey. Oh, yes. I see you. This is very cool looking. No food. I'm so sorry. Whoa. I want to get one jumping. Oh. I don't know if I got that. Oh, yeah. There you go. Oh, I missed it, but Hailey just got splashed. We were in the splash zone in the penguin zone, apparently.
Wait. I want to get out of here. How do they have stuff on their wings?
I don't know. It must be how they know who's who. Look at them all. They're just all come and say hi. Hey, whoa.
Oh, wait, I love you. Look at that. Look at that penguin that keeps going like.
Look at wee.
And it's here. Oh. I love it here. Wee.
Wee.
I love it here. Wee. They keep going wee.
What are they doing?
Wee. Wee. I love it down here. I love it up here. Wee.
Wee.
He keeps doing wee.
Wee.
I love it. Wee. I love it. Wee.
Oh.
Wiggle, wiggle. Wee. They keep going.
Kayla, that one keeps going by with the yellow hair.
Wee.
Alright guys, so that's it for our trip at SeaWorld. We hope you guys enjoyed visiting us, and we will see you guys in the next video. And if you did like this, please leave it a like. See you in the next one. Bye.